this one reminds me of that, the sapin sapin. This is the What the Jordan 5. What's up guys, it's Gavin and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've last posted here on YouTube, but here we are today and we are gonna take a closer look at the Jordan 5 What The. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and like my videos. I would like to give a huge shout out to Rasticlat for sending this bracelet over. This is from their newest collection, the Reflective Pack, and be sure to check it out at rasticlat.com. Don't forget to use my code GavinMarshall20 to get 20% off on your purchase. And with that being said, let's take a closer look at the What the Jordan 5s. Now let's start off with the box. On the top of the box, you have the red Jumpman logo. Nothing on this side. Air Jordan logo here. And you have the sizing and tags. And its official colorway is Varsity Maize and Solar Orange. You have nothing on this side. And the Air Jordan logo here. Now, let's open up the box and see what we got inside. This is the right pair. This is the left pair. And here you have the What the Jordan 5. These sneakers were released yesterday here in the Philippines in Titan and Nike sneakers. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop them at Nike sneakers, but I'm very fortunate that I was still able to get them at Titan. I'd like to give a huge shout out to the good people at Titan Conrad for the easy process to get these sneakers. These sneakers cost 10,995 pesos. The What the colorway consists of different colorways of the silhouette. This is the second Air Jordan silhouette to feature the What the colorway. The first silhouette was the Air Jordan 4, however, it didn't seem so eye-catching compared to these, in my opinion. These sneakers are so polarizing. People would either love it or hate it because it looks like ketchup and mustard. Let's start off with the mustard, the right pair. The upper has a bright yellow color and is made up of a smooth and soft nubuck. It has a black logo here that resembles a Japanese looking character, but you tell me if you see that or a number 23. The upper is inspired by the Tokyo 23 colorway. For the lateral side, it has a side panel. For the back, it has a black Jumpman logo. Medial side, another side panel. And I just want to give that very nice stitching a closer look for you guys. For the laces of the sneaker, it has a plain black flat laces, and the tongue of the right pair is inspired by the Army Olive colorway. However, I am not sure about where the black lace lock in this sneaker came from. If you check the colorways that make up the sneaker, you'd notice that none of them have a black lace lock. So do comment down below and let me know where did this specific color come from. Now, for the sock lining of the sneaker, you'd notice that it has a very colorful and detailed print, and that is because it is inspired by the Jordan 5 laser colorway. And if you take a closer look, you'd notice that it is made up of different Air Jordan silhouettes. For the inside of the tongue, it has a bright orange color, and it is still inspired by the Army Olive colorway. And you also have that OG reverse Air Jordan tag right here. Going deeper into the sneaker, you have a plain black insole with a white Jumpman logo. However, I feel that this is a missed opportunity where they could have done something else or maybe added more design to the insole. For the midsole of the sneaker, it is inspired by the classic Air Jordan 5 Bel Air, along with the sole. The Air Jordan 5 is the first Air Jordan silhouette to feature a translucent outsole. Now, let's check out the ketchup or the left pair. This is the ketchup or the left pair, and I personally prefer these more than the right pair because of how well the colors blend together. Its upper is made up of a bright red suede that was inspired by the Raging Bull colorway. It has a yellow logo here that is inspired by the Shanghai Shen colorway. On the lateral side of the sneaker, you have the translucent side panel. At the back, you have a black Jumpman logo. Medial side, translucent side panel. And for the laces of the sneaker, you have a plain, black, and flat laces. The tongue is inspired by the green bean colorway along with the neon green lace lock. The sock lining of the sneaker is inspired by the Bel Air colorway. And going deeper into the sneaker, you notice that it also has a plain black insole with a white Jumpman logo. For the midsole and sole of the sneaker, it is inspired by the K54 colorway of the Jordan 5. This is a really missed opportunity by the Jordan brand because they didn't make the outsole glow in the dark. At first you might think that it is because of how bright its neon green is, but sadly it isn't. Another issue that I have with these sneakers is how the left pair's bright red dye could rub off against the yellow nubuck on the right pair. And when it comes to the sizing of these sneakers, I personally suggest that you go half a size down if you really want that OG colorway fit, since these sneakers aren't as padded as the other ones. Overall, this is a really great sneaker in my opinion, but they could have done something better with the laces. They could have given extra laces or made it multicolored to make the sneaker more vibrant. Another issue that I have is the plain insoles where it's plain black and it just has a white Jumpman logo. They could have made it like the LeBron 11s that have patches in it. And lastly, the sole. This is a really missed opportunity. They could have made this glow in the dark, although I know that it would stray away from the original colorway of the Kai 54, but I mean, don't you think it would look better if it had a glow-in-the-dark effect? I would. But between the two, the left is definitely my favorite compared to the right because the balance of the colors of the red, black, and neon green just really go well together. And with this pair, if you're familiar with the Filipino rice cake delicacy, then I'd say that this one reminds me of that, the sapin. So yeah, this one definitely for sure. And there you have it. That is the close-up look for the Jordan 5 What The. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Gavin Marshall. Like this video and comment down below your thoughts on the What The Jordan 5 and let me know if you were able to get them. Thank you again and I'll see you in the next one.